Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we have got some amazing small living room design ideas that won't break the bank. Whether you are a student, a young professional, or just looking to revamp your space, we have got covered. Let's dive in. First, let's explore the wonder of multi-purpose furniture. Choose pieces that do more than just one thing. Consider items that also have storage inside. A coffee table that can turn into a desk or a sofa with secret compartment. These items are not just furniture, they are like a superhero for your small living room. They save space by doing double duty and make your living area more useful. So when you are shopping for furniture, keep an eye out for these magical multitasker. They are a smart and budget friendly way to make the most of your space. Good lighting is key to a great space. Make your room cozy and feel bigger by placing light statically. Choose floor lamps, fairy lights, or LED strips to add warmth. These not only create a sung atmosphere but also make your room seems more spacious. Don't worry about breaking the bank. You can find budget-friendly lighting option at thrift store or discount shops. So brighten up your space without dimming your wallet. Get creative with your small living room by making your own wall art and decor. It is easier than you think. Express yourself by framing magazine cutouts, craft and gallery walls with affordable frames or painting your own canvas. This budget friendly approach not only adds a personal touch to your space but also showcase your unique style. No need expensive artwork when you can create something special that reflect your personality. So grab some supplies, let your imagination run wild and turn your living room into cozy heaven that is uniquely yours. It is a simple and fun way to transform your space without breaking the bank. Mirrors are like magic for small rooms. Here is the trick. Put up a big mirror in just the right spot. It is bounce light around and make the room look much bigger than it actually is. Cool right now, you don't need to spend or fortune on mirror. Check out thrift store or reuse old ones. They are not just about looks. Mirror also help you out by making the room feel brighter. So grab an affordable mirror, find a good spot and voila, your room will look and feel more spacious. It is a simple budget friendly way to make your small living room space feel like it is got a touch of magic. Finally, let's chat about keeping things neat and tidy. Be imaginative in how you stash your stuff. Try out floating shelves, storage baskets, and wall mounting organizer. When you keep things organized and not scratched on the floor, it makes the room look bigger. It is like magic for your space. Always think about getting the most out of the room you have got. Don't forget a little creative with storage can go a long way in making your living room feel more spacious and comfortable. So get those shelf up, toss things in some cut baskets and keep your space looking awesome. And other you have it 5 budget friendly ideas to transform your small living room I hope you found these tips helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more awesome content. See you in the next one.